Good word C. No, Stephanie C. So for those who are saying E is not correct, E vijana wajaelewa. I'm saying for liquid at room temperature. Oduor, E is not right. E is a gas at room temperature. Gray, E is a gas. Ronnie Cliff, E is a gas at room temperature. We have agreed that E exists in gaseous form at room temperature. So hakuna vile ita exists in both gaseous and liquid state. It can only assume one state of matter. So E is a liquid. I mean, it's a gas. Then we can see elements C and D. In fact, C and D both have their boiling points, their melting points below room temperature, but they boil above room temperature. So it means they are liquid at room temperature. The boiling point below room temperature, the melting point above room temperature. Nelvin, unachafua screen. Nelvin, unachafua screen. Go to the next. Suggest a reason why substance B has two melting points. Why would it have two melting points as shown? Substance B. Why would substance B have the two melting points? Elvis, it exhibits allotropic. Here you go, sour. It is allotropic. Here you go to sour. No problem writing that. Robinson, thank you. Sean Frederick, it is an allotrope. It exhibits allotrope. It is allotropic for sour. Sean Frederick, sour. Isaac, thank you. Cynthia, Ugas, it is allotropic. Aladoa is allotropic. So vijana wako sawa na hiyo. Na hiyo iko sawa. Exhibit allotropy. Debra. So the moment you see an element having two or more melting points, then it means it exhibits allotropy. Allotropy we define as the existence of different forms of an element in the same physical state. Different forms of an element in the same physical state. Like we have the allotropes of of carbon, include diamond and graphite. We also have the allotropes of sulfur. We have got rhombic and monoclinic. Then substance A and C conduct electric current in the liquid state. State how the two substances differ as conductors of electric current. A and C. So you can see A and C, they are good conductors in liquid state. The difference is that A is poor in solid, but C is good in solid. So what is the difference in the mode of conductivity? Robinson, A conducts due to mobile ions, while C conducts due to localized electrons. Good. Sean Frederick, A conducts electricity using mobile ions, while C conducts using the localized electrons. Good. So we agree that A is having what we call giant ionic structure. Cynthia, A conducts electricity using mobile ions, while C conducts using the localized electrons. That is very correct. And I can see, okay. Samson also agrees. Thank you, Samson. Elvis, A mobile ions, B the localized electrons. So that is the difference. So in other terms, element A has got, it's not even an element, it's a substance. Substance A has got what we call giant ionic structure. In giant ionic structure, they conduct electricity in molten or liquid or solution forms, but in solid state, they do not conduct. Because in solid state, the ions are held in fixed positions. Sorry. In solid states, The ions are held in fixed positions. The ions are held within fixed positions, hence immobile, do not conduct electricity, hence immobile. In liquid or molten or aqueous or solution states, they conduct because the ions are free. So they have mobile ions. Mobile ions. Yes. Oh. Yeah. All right, so sorry, Robinson. Sorry for that. I was sorry for that. We proceed. Then so there is question 2. Now question 2 is a question on metals. Metals, that is a question that a topic that is still ahead, and we will go through it later on once we cover that topic. Maybe we look for one more question. And I hope most of us here we have done organic 1 and 2. Organic 1 and 2. So we can also touch this organic question. Of course, you guys just know that you are preparing for this paper 2. In paper 2 chemistry is always the easiest. Hapo ndio vijana wanapatanga 70s out of 80s kuendelea. So it's always a stronghold. So you must start familiarizing with the questions of paper 2 as you work on paper 1 as well. The reason why the students really do well in paper 2 is because the topics are predictable. I told you the other day that the one that we have handled on the concept of the periodic table, the one that we are now looking at here, the one on organic, they never miss. So you just go through that topic thoroughly and prepare as you wait for exams. So let's look at this one. It is a topic on organic compounds. I can see these organic compounds. So can we go through the questions? Bio. A. Give the names of the following. Common 1, compound K. Analyze the flowchart. Analyze the flowchart. Let me give you like 2 minutes to analyze that flowchart. Then we go through the questions very fast. Right. I hope I've given you enough time to analyze it. Of course, I'm also meeting it for the first time. I just opened this one of the documents that was in my phone. Kcse, let's see what they have for us in chemistry. So we analyze it together, we answer those questions. Give the names of the following. Compound K. Let me check where we have compound K. Compound K. Okay. P. What is compound K? What is the identity of compound K? That is oxidizing an alkene. Oxidizing an alkene, we end up with all right. Propan 1,2-diol. Iko sawa, Sean Frederick.